Hello friends, today we are going to discuss mineral talc. Okay, so see, this is the picture of the mineral talc, and now we are going to discuss the whole property of the mineral talc. So this is the first slide. We know that talc is a mineral and talc is also known as talcum. Talc is a clay mineral and composed of hydrated magnesium silicate with the chemical formula Mg3Si4O10OH whole twice. So this is very important. Formula of talc is very important because this is part of the Moho hardness scale. So formula of talc is the Mg3Si4O10OH twice. Okay, now crystal system. Talc can be crystallized in the monoclinic or can be crystallized in the triclinic. So crystal system of talc is monoclinic or maybe triclinic. Talc is a phyllosilicate mineral. Okay, silicate structure of the talc is the phyllosilicate. Now hardness is very important because talc is part of the Moho hardness scale and this is the first mineral of the Moho hardness scale. So hardness of talc is the 1 and due to 1 hardness talc is also known as softest mineral of the Moho hardness scale. Okay, now next term is the soapstone. Okay, remember talc and soapstone are the different term. Okay, uh, uh, informally, we can use talc or soapstone, okay, as the place of the soapstone, talc, okay. But soapstone is a metamorphic rock composed of predominantly of the talc. So soapstone is a metamorphic rock, and talc or talcum is a mineral, okay. And optic sign of the talc is the biaxial negative, okay. To remember optic sign also. Now see how to form talc. Talc dominantly form from the metamorphism of the magnesium minerals such as serpentine, pyroxene, amphibole and olivine in the presence of the carbon dioxide and the water. Okay, remember. Now see the reaction. And this is the serpentine and carbon dioxide. Serpentine and carbon dioxide from the talc mineral as well as magnesite and water. Okay, remember the byproduct also magnesite and water. This is important for UPSC combined geoscientist exam. Okay, and this was also part of the exam magnesite. Okay, magnesite is the byproduct. Now see, talc can also form via a reaction between dolomite and silica. Now see the reaction. This is the dolomite CaMgCO3 all twice. Okay, dolomite is a carbonate mineral and silica SiO2 plus water. Okay, so dolomite, silica plus water can form talc and the calcite. Okay, as well as carbon dioxide. So remember this reaction also. Now see the use of the talc. Talc used as a talcum powder. Okay, see the Google images. Okay, so this is the talcum powder, use of the talc. Now we are going to discuss important question regarding the mineral talc. So this is the first question, what is the chemical formula of mineral talc? So there are 4 options and we know that the correct answer is the Mg3Si4O10OH whole twice. So this is the formula of the mineral talc. Talc is the magnesium rich hydroxide. Okay, now second question, what is the hardness of the talc on the Moho scale or Moho hardness scale? So we know that talc is the softest mineral and hardness of the talc is the 1. So correct answer is the 1. 1 is the correct answer. Now see, talc belong to which crystal system? So we know that talc can be crystallized in the monoclinic crystal system or talc can be crystallized in the triclinic crystal system. So correct answer is the C option. Next, what type of silicate is the talc? So we know that the silicate structure of talc is the phyllosilicate and phyllosilicate is also known as seed silicate. So correct answer is the C, seed silicate or phyllosilicate. Okay. Now next question, which metamorphic rock is predominantly composed of the talc? So this is very important question. Correct answer is the soapstone. Okay, which metamorphic rock is predominantly composed of talc? So soapstone. Next, what is the optical character of the talc? So optical sign of the talc is the biaxial negative. Okay, now next, what is the another name for the soft stone? So this is important question. Okay, soft stone is also known as steatite. Okay, now next, talc is commonly associated with which type of the geological environment? So correct answer is metamorphosed ultramafic rock. Okay, talc formed through the process of the metamorphism. Okay, what is the luster is the characteristic of the mineral talc. So luster of the talc is the greasy or pearly. Okay, now the presence of the talc in the rock often indicate which type of the metamorphism. So we know that talc formed through the hydrothermal process as well as contact metamorphism. So correct answer is the hydrothermal metamorphism or contact metamorphism. Next, the cleavage of talc is, so we know that the cleavage of talc is the perfect in the one direction, or we can say basal cleavage. Next, what kind of rock is talc schist? Okay, so talc schists, we already know schist is a metamorphic rock. So talc is a foliated mineral. So talc schist is a see first the image. This is the talc schist. Okay, and talc schist is a foliated metamorphic rock. Okay, now thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt regarding the mineral talc, then message me. Thank you.